Hi everybody, welcome to spring and Tidepool 0.0.9. This one implements KM206. Whenever you see a number above 180, then these are issues that were added after the development began. And this one, Improved 3D Walkabout, is all about making good use of the new 3D features in Java 8, which released last week. Let's have a look. I'll clear the database and run it. Okay, things look pretty different. See these 3D cubes, and if I look around, dragging with the mouse, you can see them all around me. There's this 550 here. Well, this looks awfully like a topo map, which is what it is. So as before, I can run around. There's a river, and I'm clicking and dragging with the mouse to pan the camera around. Looks like it's more light over here. Seems like there may be some cloud cover or something. And I can also fly. I'm going to hit the greater than sign, and I go up in the air. Give you a little perspective on what's going on down here. All right. Well, as it turns out, this is the topo quadrant for where I live. Let's see if I can find my house here. That's the little Lehigh River. Okay. It's got to be right around here. I just happen to know my topo pretty well. There. We live right there. Okay, well, so obviously you can see I'm getting topo maps in. And you can't really see it, but there's also bump mapping going on. I'm going to switch to a different map mode right now. I'm going to press the C key to change to toggle from contours to relief map. And now, if I go down to the ground level and walk around, you can kind of see that the bump mapping is working a little bit better. Yeah, of course, here everything is flat, but this is going to become a lot more pronounced in terms of hills and so forth. So I'm going to fly up here again. The other thing I can change is the light source. Now right now this is what's called a point light, which comes from a particular point in space. So if I switch to an ambient light, everything becomes a lot more evenly illuminated. Now you'll also notice that you lose some of the detail on these cubes. That's not going to stay that way. It just seems that each side is being illuminated from with exact same amount of light from each side. So now I could also switch back to contour, and you can see the topo a lot better. Okay, well, that's it for Tidepool 0.0.9.